Today we're gonna be riding a shark. The best place, well, one of the best places around here. There's a shark already over there. And we just have to get a fishing rod. So here we go, here's a fishing rod. And we just have to go after the shark. Alright, to fish a shark, the best way is just to leave your fishing rod. Do not pick anything up. And then you'll notice that shark will pick it up sooner or later. So that's how you can ride a shark. So yes, you can tell it a little bit how to go, but you can't ride it that well. So I can make it go to the left, for example, just by going to the left. I can make it go to the right. So I can do that as well. I can do this, make it go all the way to the right, left. But there are limits of how much you can actually ride this shark. Now something else that you can do with the shark is actually make it jump. So it's just like jumping in Fortnite. Jump like this, and it'll make it jump. And that's how you guys can make a shark jump. So again, you can make the shark jump. So it's actually a pretty good way to get around the map if you wanted to. Oh, that shark just died. Gonna jump right over. Let's see if we can kill this guy with the shark. Let's attack him again. All the way around so we can get this dude here. Oh, he's already dead. And if you're thinking sharks can't go on land, they can. Here we go. Obviously it's limited, so we can ride a shark as well on land, but then this will happen. So you actually can't ride him too long on land for obvious reasons. So we're just gonna finish him out again. There we go. That's how we can fish a shark. Again, don't stay on land too long, because then he has to go back. And here we go. So that's exactly how to ride a shark. Obviously, don't do this while your team's dying, like my entire team just did, while I was just showing you guys how to ride a shark. And we're gonna jump all this. Go on land for a little bit. It's okay, we can go on land just for a bit. I want to try to jump all this. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we almost made it against that jump. I wouldn't go too close to it.